Up it's a 0. So you want to match your ones with the ones on yours. You got it? Hey, there you go.
This is kind of what it looks like on the inside. I've since added sensing displays. The arm that's actually dispensing.
Wires and
yeah, do guys. Then you can throw it into the water, just hot water.
Right now.
See? Sure. Yeah, on it. See? Is it cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. See?
That's wow. Wait, do we get to make one?
Yeah.
Oh, how do we,
Questions, yeah, it's usual.
Sean, we need to it's because it's some of the markers. It's like they're all on one side, so it's tipping.
What? Air? Oh, okay, all right, air. Okay, we got that. Go ahead. Tipping it, right? Perfect, good. Now I'm gonna be doing
Ooh, B-roll?
The newest GoPro, yeah.
I like it. Are you guys like making a video?
And polymers are polymers, right? Glasses are polymers, eyeglasses, glasses. It's a polymer in there. It's not actually glass. So like DNA in your body is technically a polymer, which is kind of. Where's your mom? Try a real one.
Right here.
Did you have one?
What? Oh, the helicopter! That one on the floor? Oh, what's this? Hi. What time is that? What time is that?
That's what you're supposed to do, right?
Hey, before we put it on, you might want to wind it up. So we'll go like this. And just keep twisting it.
Oh yeah, it takes a lot. It's a battery cover. Alright, ready? Go. Now, you see this here, the slider? That's the turn. Don't turn it too much. Well, once you get the hang of it, you can. You might go a little too fast, but that's how you turn.
It's run by the Arduino. Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
There you go. You got it. It's very sensitive.
Yeah, exactly. But so what this helicopter itself needs to do is these motors have to.
Okay, me? I bet. Better.
So our slides are servo, and what we can do is we can start with our base moving. So let's get 3 pumps of this.
3?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Filming.
There's a little pitting in here, so every time the ball came down, it deformed the crystal. But here, it's smooth.
Look, you're like, whoa, look at me shitting on.
To make it go faster, there you go.
He went to sleep. He's just going to
He's hands off now. He's hands off.
Yeah, what are you doing?
How fast it can get up.
Maggie, I think you're a little angry.
This would be your battlefield.
go back now.
The white cap off. Stick it in. Technically isn't an adult. I would his like no, okay, no, let it be right.
I'm playing Roblox.
I'm a second year geological engineering student. I'm Izzy. I'm also a second year geological engineering student. I'm Professor Eva Golos. I'm a second year professor. I'm in the career path that geological engineers can have is natural hazard prevention and remediation. So if you get an earthquake or a landslide, how are you going to prevent that?
So it doesn't hurt the pot. So take the bottle. Okay. Yeah, there's well, maybe. Yeah, see, it's this little area. No, it's because that's hurt. If it's straight, it's sending it away.
Alright, let's test it.
Okay. I think our chair moved.
Oh, it is
no,
hurt.
it's this area. It's right here. It's not that
If you put like some food on top, it's gonna want to
go to the green.
Yeah, and then it'll cause it to mix a little bit.
I think it's fine. It looks like yellow in like the most unappealing shape.
No, I don't give James
That's a cool airport. I think the first one didn't have a full load of passengers in gear. This next one. Green power here.